Hello everybody, and welcome to our POV drive of the refreshed 2021 Nissan Armada. So as you can see, they've changed a lot with the exterior design of this car. They added new wheels. We have a new Midnight Edition on this model. And if we walk around to the rear, you'll also see that this has changed quite a bit with the refreshed model. But let's go ahead and hop on the inside. So of course you do have smart entry. So you just push the button here or unlock it on the fob. Here on the door trim, we have a nice leather wrapping. We have that kind of pinched look that's you'll see on a lot of Infiniti products. It's mostly leather wrap, two-person memory seating. And as you can see, the inside is also quite new for this refresh model. They've updated it with a lot of new technology to make this a lot better of a product. In order to start, just tap your foot on the brake and push the button to start. So as you can see, probably the coolest thing with this refresh is this larger display. This is super high resolution, so this really does compete now with the new products in the class, like the Chevy Tahoe. We're also going to have this whole new area here that looks completely different. We have our own climate controls. This thing pops open right here, and you can wirelessly phone charge. And we do also have wireless Apple CarPlay with this. So you just click into there, and as you can see, it does run completely wirelessly, and then this illuminates when your phone is charging. Now looking down here, we do have some cool dark gray trim. We do have the Midnight Edition on this model. And then if we open this up, a lot of center storage. It's nicely felt lined. Here's your glove box. It can fit our coupons in, and the MSRP for this particular model is going to be $60,920. But let's go ahead and hop on into the drive. We also do have Nissan's 360-degree camera, which does help make backing quite a bit easier, and the mirrors do go ahead and tilt down as well. One thing I will point out that I wish this car had was the electronic brake hold. If you're sitting in a bunch of traffic, a lot of the competition will give you the brake hold system. This is not going to have that, so that's just something worth noting with this 2021 Armada. That is up to a little over 60 miles an hour. As you can see, this has a big Burley V8 engine. It's going to be 5.6 liters, and it is producing 400 horsepower, 413 pound-feet of torque. So it is definitely enough power to get this big Armada up to speed well. It is going to be a little bit less than something like a Yukon Denali, but there is a lot of power on board, and you do have a 7-speed automatic transmission with this model. As far as other practical stuff you might be curious about, the fuel economy is going to be rated at 15 miles a gallon combined with 4-wheel drive, or 16 combined with 2-wheel drive. And if you're driving like this, you might expect to get a little bit less than that. But anyway, I'll just go ahead and shut up for the remaining part of this POV drive and let you kind of enjoy the atmosphere of this Armada. And if you are interested in learning more about this 2021 refreshed Armada, we do have a full review on our channel which covers a lot more details in this POV drive. We talk about the outside, the inside, everything about it will be covered in that video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, go check that video out, and also tap that notification bell.